Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve another problem in which there is list of integers and there is only one possible combinations for it to achieve our target value. Okay. So here is the two sum. Here is the list of integers, and if you see this index, if we start from 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here is the combination of 3 and 6 must be returned, where the value must be on addition, it will be achieve our target value. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. I quickly open the IntelliJ IDE. New Java class to sum. Now let's create our main method. I will create one list of integers. List of integers. I'll take an immutable class which is list of. Okay, have to assign one variable. Here is the li. Now let's quickly create another method, public static, which will be returned as the integer value, right? So for this I will take an integer of array and mm, so now it will be accepted as the list of integers. Okay, so how to solve this problem? We have to take one map value. So I will take one map of type integer which will be storing, and second also the integer which we need to store our index, right? Yes, map. Now I will take one for loop for the iteration on the list. For int I equal to 0, I less than I dot size. I'll take one complement int comp for this. We also pass the target value of our, which is a type integer target value, which must be returned from the target, correct? So I will take an assume taking the target int target equal to 9. Okay, after that let's check if it is already present or not. If map.get the object of I'll take one value of list li dot get of I. If it is written as the null equal to null, then we are going to store its complementary value with the index, correct? So map.put complement value and the index. Okay, what happen if it is otherwise? If in the else block we will write else if for if map dot get this value li dot get of index is not equal to null, then so here we will get our result, right? So we have to return an integer value. So how we will store that value? I'll create an integer of array, int of array result equal to new int of value of the 2, or by default I will take as 0 0. Okay, now so here we will get our uh, answers. So let's assign the value. Result of 0 is equal to I, and result of 1 is equal to map.get of, we are passing the li dot get value of I. Okay, here it will be written as the index value. Now we will return this as the result, or we can directly write it here. You can simply break from here. Now the compile and run this and see if it is working or not after assigning this value. R of result is equal to sum of li with target, and we have to parent to plus result of 1. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5, and here is the 0 1 2 3. So our answer is correct, 5 and 3. If you want to assign, you can assign as well of this one as well.